Today, we're talking about something that has completely changed how I use my backyard, this patio heater. Now, if you've been looking at these online, you know that they can get pretty expensive. I actually picked this one up from Temu, and I know what you're thinking. Temu for a major appliance. I've had it for a while now. I put it through its paces, and today I want to give you the honest truth about the buying experience, the assembly, and whether or not it actually keeps you warm when the temperature drops. I've done plenty of Temu videos on the channel before, so let's go ahead and address that. We've all seen the ads. We all know it can be a gamble. In my experience, not everything they import is a home run. If you're buying super cheap, tiny gadgets, sometimes the quality totally reflects that. But here's a secret that I found. When you look at their domestically shipped items, the stuff that is already in warehouses here in the United States, the quality is a different story. These items actually compete directly with what you'd find on Amazon, Walmart, or even other big box retailers. The biggest advantage is the price. I got this for considerably cheaper than I would have anywhere else. And I'm talking a fraction of the cost. Because Temu cuts out so many middlemen, by connecting you directly to the source, you're not paying that massive retail markup. For a large item like this, that savings adds up fast. I was a little worried about the assembly. Usually when you buy something at a deep discount, the instructions are a nightmare, or the parts don't line up, or they're missing parts. Surprisingly, putting this together was actually easy. It took about 30 to 45 minutes, and everything we needed was in the box. As for the durability, it feels solid. The metal isn't flimsy, the base is pretty sturdy, and it doesn't feel like it's going to tip over if a light breeze hits it. But the real question is, does it actually get hot? This unit runs on a standard 20-pound propane tank. Yes, the exact kind you use for your Blackstone, your barbecue grill, whatever. It tucks away neatly in the base, so you don't have hoses tripping anyone up. Lighting it is straightforward and simple, and once it's going, the heat output actually is impressive. You can feel the warmth almost immediately. We've used this thing on nights where it was 40 degrees, and it created that perfect bubble of heat around the seating area. So what's the final verdict? The value is hard to beat. I saved a ton of money, and most importantly, it actually works.